Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Advanced CRM Dashboard in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application provides a powerful visual interface to track and analyze your entire sales pipeline. It offers real-time insights into leads, opportunity, team performance, and conversion metrics, all in one place. With customizable charts, KPIs, and filters, sales teams and manager can make faster data-driven decisions. Whether you are monitoring deal stages or tracking individual targets, this dashboard enhances visibility and streamlines CRM performance analysis in Odoo. So first of all, we will go into the CRM module. Here, under configuration, we will go into the dashboard configuration. Here we need to create a new dashboard configuration. So click on new, enter your dashboard name. So I will be entering BrowseInfo CRM Dashboard. Now under that you can see the filters. So add companies into that. So I will be adding BrowseInfo as the company, and for the stage you can select any one stage. So here you can select all, stage, opportunity, or lead. So here I will be selecting all right now. Now here you can see under configuration, you can see the user. You can change the user as per your choice, and under that a boolean for active. Now under menu shortcuts, here you can see you can add a line. Here you can select all the shortcuts you want to show into your CRM. So here I am selecting few shortcuts which will be visible in my CRM dashboard. So here I have selected some shortcuts, and here you can see all the shortcuts I have selected. Now after this we are going to save this. And now we are going to hop on into the CRM dashboard. Here you will find a menu for CRM dashboard, and here you can see the dashboard. Here you can see the company is all companies. You can select either company also. Besides that, you will find a menu for stage. You can select the stage as per your choice. Either it is lead or opportunity. And after that, you can select the time period like today, this week, this month, and everything. Here in the salesperson, you can select your salesperson, and in the sales team, you can select your sales team. So here I will be selecting, and if you want to reset the filter, you can just click on this button and your filter will be reset. Now here you can see the shortcuts. Here you can see the shortcut which we have added into the configuration. Here you can see all shortcuts. You can just click any one of them and open it. So here I will be opening the setting one. So you can see the invoicing setting has been opened because that shortcut was for invoicing setting. And now after that we are just going to click on this My Pipeline. So here you can see you are redirected to the My Pipeline page. Now, if you select any other one of them, if you select the language, you will be redirected to the languages. Here you can see all the languages. And if I select this working schedule, you can see you will be redirected to the working schedule. Now, you can see all the shortcuts in here. Now, after this, under that you can see a card for leads. Here you can see 8 created leads. Here you can see the total CRM records, and here you can see the total opportunity. Total CRM records is nothing but CRM leads plus your opportunities. Here you can see 11 and 8 plus 19, so it is 19. Here you can see the expected revenue, and you can see the expected revenue is for opportunities. Under that you can see the salesperson wise records. Here you can see Mark, Demo, Michelle, Admin, and unassigned records graph. Besides that, you can see the stage wise distribution. Here you can see the customer wise expected revenue graph. Here you can see for Deco Addict, Unknown, and all the other customers, you can see the graph. Under that you can see the sales team wise expected revenue. Here you can see for pre-sales is this, no team, and for the sales is this. Here you can see the CRM record status funnel. Here you can see the CRM record status wise funnel. Here is new, qualified, proposition, and won, and under that you can see the records. And here you can see all the CRM records. Here you can see the leads, and you can see the opportunities in here. Here you can see everything. Under that you can see the CRM activity. CRM activity is nothing but the call, email, and everything from the CRM will be shown in here. Now we will go upwards and we are going to apply some filters. So here if I select lead, and if we come back here, you can see only leads card will be visible, and here you can see total CRM records will also be will be 8. Here you can see expected revenue is 0. Now if I select the opportunity, here you can see the leads is 0, the total CRM records is 11, and the opportunity is 11, and you can see the expected revenue for the opportunities. Now again we will come in here, and if we are going to select the time period for this month, you can see the expected revenue for the opportunity for this month is updated, and you can see total opportunities is only 9. Now we are going to change the salesperson. Here you can see all the opportunity is for the salesperson, so the data is just like that. Now we are going to change the sales team, which is sales, and you can see the graph according to that. Now we are going to reset our filter, and you can see everything will be updated according to the all filter. Now in here we can see all CRM records. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add the stage to opportunity. So now if we come into here, you can see only opportunities in CRM records. Here you can see the CRM records with only opportunity. Now if I select lead and if I go into that, here you can see in CRM records only leads will be visible. Now for the salesperson, if I select mark demo and if I go under that, you can see no CRM records found for mark demo, or no CRM activity has found for the mark demo. So we are just going to reset the filter, and just like this you can select your filter and your data your dashboard will be updated. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.